naisip ko lang ngayon, ano ba ang mas mahirap para sa'yo? Yung mga eksenang dinidirect ka o yung mga eksenang just flowing lang?
I think na...
Katulad kasi, di ba, gumagawa ka ng mga adult content. Like, meron ako napanood sa'yo, sa X2 ha, na meron kang collab scene na talagang as in, all out talaga, na guy or something. Kayo lang dalawa doon. Pero sa mga pelikula, merong mga...
May crew.
May ganyan.
Yeah.
Anong mas mahirap sa'yo?
I think I had to get over a lot of fear and hesitation when I started working in big productions like this. Kasi yun nga, may crew, syempre nakaka-conscious. Kasi in order for me to focus on my work as an adult content creator, since we do hardcore, it's very different. Ang ginagawa ko talaga, may cameraman ako, may camera assistant ako, pero I make sure na kaming dalawa lang nung partner kong nasa kwarto para makapag-focus kami sa ginagawa namin. So it's...
Pinag-uusapan nyo yung sa adult content? Yung galaw ninyo?
Definitely. Like, may do's and don'ts, pero very go with the flow. Like, ganun yung setup ko talaga. As opposed to dito sa... kapag dinidirect kami sa isang malaking production na to, there's a lot of moving parts, there's a lot of crew that are involved.